Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make salad bhaji. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 medium onions, 100 grams of fresh spinach, and 1 large potato. For the batter, prepare 1 cup of gram flour, half a teaspoon of turmeric, and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Don't forget a pinch of salt and enough water to form a thick paste. We'll also need about 500 milliliters of cooking oil for frying. Now let's get our vegetables ready. Thinly slice your 2 medium onions and finely chop the 100 grams of spinach and the large potato. In a separate bowl, whisk together the 1 cup of gram flour, half teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and a pinch of salt. Gradually add water, mixing until you achieve a smooth, thick batter. Finally, fold all the chopped vegetables into this flavorful batter, ensuring they are well coated. It's time to fry our delicious bhaji. Heat about 500 milliliters of cooking oil in a deep pan over medium-high heat. To test if the oil is ready, drop a tiny bit of batter. It should sizzle immediately. Carefully drop small, tablespoon-sized portions of the bhaji mixture into the hot oil. Avoid overcrowding the pan. Fry them for approximately 3 to 4 minutes on each side, or until they turn a beautiful golden brown and are wonderfully crispy. Once your bhaji are perfectly golden and crispy, carefully remove them from the hot oil using a slotted spoon. Place them on a plate lined with paper towels to absorb any excess oil, ensuring they remain delightfully crisp. Serve your hot salad bhaji immediately with your favorite dipping sauce, such as a tangy mint chutney or a sweet tamarind sauce. This makes a fantastic appetizer or a delightful snack for any occasion. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.